Okay guys, I just want to quickly review Jobii because they sent me a bunch of products and these are not sponsored at all. I think I mentioned before I don't really get that much sponsorship like that, so i-review ko to. Dito sa tama siya.
When you call, I take my phone to the picnic table.
Welcome back to my channel. My name is Yan. If you are new here, welcome. If you're not, thank you so much for coming back. And for today's video, I'm gonna be doing this makeup look that I am wearing right now. This is my updated Peachy makeup look. I've done this makeup look I think 3 years ago, and this is my updated version of that makeup tutorial. So if you guys want to see how I did this makeup look, then please keep on watching. before I end this video, I just wanted to quickly review and talk about a few products that I just recently received and I've been loving a lot, and they are from the brand called Jobii. So the first one that I wanted to mention is this ample cream, and as you guys can see, I've been using this quite a lot, and I really love this product because it's an ampoule and a cream at the same time. And yeah, this just really helps with dryness, and I love the way it gently absorbs on my skin. It doesn't feel sticky at all, and also all these products, they never broke me out. That's why I really like it. I only talk about products on my channel that doesn't broke me out, just because I feel like you guys do not deserve that kind of life. So yeah, I really love this product, and I've been using this a lot. Like, it's very much evident on how much I have left. So next product is this Eye Plus cream. You guys know I cannot live without eye cream. It's the most important and crucial part of my skincare routine. Also good for your face, like not just your eye area. So I also use this on my smile lines. I mean, I don't really see that much of a difference, to be honest, because I don't have that wrinkles just yet. So I don't know, but prevention is better than cure, so I like to use some eye cream. And next thing that I'm loving, and this is like my most favorite product, no, my second favorite product from this line, and this is their filtering cream. This has SPF 50 PA+++, like 6+, and this has whitening and glowing effect. The reason why this is my most favorite product is, first, it evens out my skin tone, and sometimes I don't even need to use foundation or BB cream or anything like that when I'm using this product. And also, I love the fact that it has SPF 50, so I don't have to layer my face with some SPF anymore. Like, this does the whole game for me. So I really love this product, and I've been using this the most. As you guys can see, it's really dirty because I brought this with me. Next product that I wanted to talk about is the Cica Plus Balm, and this one I haven't really used that much because I've been really using the ampoule cream, and because it's summer, I don't really want to layer my moisturizer, but I like it because it's lightweight. And next thing is this Turn On cream. Again, this is another product that I haven't gotten around to test that much, but I've tried it today. I actually use this as my base, and I really like it because, again, it evens out my skin tone. And yeah, and my most favorite product from Jobii, like, this is hands down, I think, the best cushion I've ever tried so far, and this is the Super Jobii. This is the Super Cover Cushion. And even though the name suggests that it's super cover cushion, it's not heavy at all. It doesn't crease on my skin, which is why I really love it. And also, a little goes a very long way. And you guys should also try this out because it's the best. Like, I can vouch for this product. Okay guys, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you do, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and let me know what you think on the comment section down below. And so yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.